Hi, I'm Justin Lee, founder of Focus for Growth, experienced business leader, executive coach and sales trainer. I work with many dental companies and their sales teams on selling and influencing to dentists and practice teams in a more consultative manner. And recently I worked with the BDIA to deliver a webinar that specifically looked at how we sell more effectively in this new remote and virtual environment. We ran a short 1 hour webinar session with questions and answers at the end. It was really well attended. I think we had about 75 people attend. I've been working together with the BDIA since then to ask members if they would be interested in more workshops that take the content from the short webinar that we ran and looked at each of the different stages of the sales process and principles of virtual and remote selling, and conducted more in-depth workshops into each of the different areas that we discussed on the original webinar. And there's been an overwhelmingly positive response from everybody, so thank you for that. We will be launching a series of workshops through the Zoom platform, through the webinar platform that the BDIA use in January next year. This is a video to let you know that that's coming in 2021. Between now and then, you'll have the chance to talk to the BDIA, look at the different workshops that are available and start to plan the time of yourself and your teams so that you can maximize attendance and the impact of those workshops. Because we'll be learning the principles, but more importantly, we'll be looking at how we apply them in practice when you're connecting and engaging your dental teams and more effectively influencing and selling in that environment. I look forward to seeing you in the new year, but until then, if you would like to connect with me, please feel free. It's Justin Lee, Leigh, and you can contact me on LinkedIn, Facebook or Instagram. I'm available on all the channels. There is a YouTube channel called Focus for Growth. It's Focus 4 Growth, so you can follow some of the activity on there until we start the program in January next year. I wish you all a strong and positive finish to 2020, and I look forward to working with you in 2021.